Samsung is showing the world how it wants to do an AI smartphone with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, offering a bag full of new and enhanced tools to users alongside some small but welcome screen and battery upgrades. Time will tell if these phones can out AI the Google Pixel 8 or outperform the iPhone 15, but Samsung has certainly come out of the gate strong with the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung starts selling the Galaxy S24 as pre-orders from today and as a regular retail release from January 31. It will cost you $799 for the basic S24 and $1,000 for the Plus. This is the same price as you had paid for the Galaxy S23 or S23 Plus last year, so we are grateful there's not been a price hike this year. The look of the Galaxy S24 isn't too far off that of the S23. The screen and back panel are both flat and are joined by metal side rails, but the phone has adopted a unibody-like design that blends all the separate panels together brilliantly. The Galaxy S23 already felt like a refined and well-built device, but the S24 takes it that little bit further. It's a pity that the frame's made of aluminum again, rather than the titanium offered on the Ultra. Similarly, the new Gorilla Armor glass material used to protect the Ultra's display is not found on the base or Plus, although you still get the previous gen Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is rather tough already. Both phones benefit from their IP68 rating, ensuring they will survive water splashes in the shower or oats being completely submerged underwater. Looking at the screen itself, the base model Galaxy S24 gets a larger 6.2-inch OLED display with slimmer bezels compared to the Galaxy S23, while the Galaxy S24 Plus has gone from 6.6 inches to 6.7 inches. The phones feel no larger than before but offer more display space, a rather excellent combination that ever so increases their screen to body ratios, and the screen's brightness, which Samsung rates for up to 2600 nits, was plenty high enough to be visible under the harsh lighting of Samsung's demo zone. Both models also get an upgrade to a full 1 to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which was an Ultra model exclusive. The S24 Plus also gets a QHD Plus display, allowing it to offer more detail on its larger panel. Last thing to mention is the color selection. There's 4 choices by default for both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, with cobalt violet being my personal favorite for its rich purple tone. The other bold color choice for the range is amber yellow, which is oddly pale under bright light but otherwise an appealing cheerful hue. Onyx black and marble grey are very smart looking. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus use similar hardware in a lot of places, but several welcome upgrades and the Galaxy AI package have likely given them enough to challenge the Google Pixel 8 series when it comes to AI features and the iPhone 15 series for photography smarts and raw computing power. How much you will appreciate these phones seems to rely a lot on how much mileage you will get from the AI features. Between the camera, notes, translation and transcription option, you should hopefully find at least one you are interested in, leaving the main decision then if you want the extra value offered by the cheaper base Galaxy S24 or the additional size, battery capacity and charging speed of the Galaxy S24 Plus. Be sure to check back soon for our full reviews of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, but as it stands now, these phones seems like big upgrades from the Galaxy S23, even if the bulk of the changes can't be seen from the exterior.